everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Delicious, very tasty chicken strips. These are chicken strips from chicken breast. They are very easy to make and very delicious. So today I will show you how to make these delicious chicken strips, and you can use it any time of the day. And without wasting in time, let's get started. 2 chicken breasts, they're washed and drain the water. And now we're going to cut into long slices. This will be the perfect size. If you have a bigger chicken breast like this, then this is the perfect size. You need like a 1/2 inch thick, and then we're going to deep fry these. I'll cut both the chicken breasts the same way. Both chicken breasts are cut. Now we'll marinate these. So the chicken strip, this is how it's going to look. We cut it 2 chicken breasts. This is all-purpose flour, which is maida. This is what I'm using, panko style coating, and 2 eggs and the spices. The spices we're going to add into all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon red chili flake, and mix it. This is going to be the coating. Once all the spices are nicely combined, spread it evenly, just like this. Get a mixing bowl, and we're going to break open the eggs. With the help of whisk, beat it well. We're not going to add any spices into the egg mixture. Once nicely beaten, so the first step will be we're going to coat with the all-purpose flour. This is what you need to do. Grab a chicken strip. These are the long ones. If you have a smaller chicken breast, then you will have the smaller one. Well, this is the perfect. So once it's coated, shake the extra, and we're going to place it back in the plate. So I'm going to keep continuing doing the same way. This is the last piece. Once chicken strips are nicely coated, now I'm going to bring all of these inside. You can put it inside and they are not going to stick because they are nicely coated. Just like this. Now we can put into this egg mixture. Just like this. Shake up the extra. Now we're going to turn it, and look at this. It's a nice coating, all-purpose flour. Take out the extra egg and then place it in the plate. Now we'll take this one into the panko coating, and once we coat it nicely, then we're going to deep fry these. Just shake up the extra and put it inside the egg. Turn it. So once it's nicely coated, shake the extra egg, then place it into a plate. I'll show you one more. This is the big one. And take it on a plate. So I'll keep continuing doing the same way. Our deep fryer is all ready. Use the panko coating, deep fry them. The oil is heated up at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a plate with a paper towel on it. That one is ready. These, you've seen it, how we did the coating. Now I'm going to grab this one and we'll place this one into the panko coating. Just like this. That's going to give us really nice coating. And now I'll place this one into the basket. And we're going to deep fry these chicken strips until they are fully cooked. So I'll place the second one. Just be careful, don't burn your salt. These are big chicken strips, so we're going to place it only 3. So cooking for 3 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm just going to pull the basket out. And we're going to turn these. Very nice texture. When you're frying, you can cover it. But since I wanted to show it to you everything, how it's doing, so I don't want to put the cover on. We are done with the chicken strips. So now I can pull this one back and I can bring my deep fryer next to you so you can see it. So as you see, within 5 minutes, the chicken breasts are fully cooked. So the chicken strips are fully cooked. I'll take it out. And now we are ready for the second batch. Look at this, very delicious chicken strips. Give it like 30 seconds, the oil heats up back to the same temperature. Now I'm going to grab the next one and we're going to do the coating. Once it's nicely coated, place it inside the oil. The chicken breast don't take that long to cook. 375 Fahrenheit, deep frying the chicken breast. Within 5 minutes, they are all done. First 3 minutes, let it cook. Then after that, turn it over. And I'm going to keep continuing doing the same way, and then I'll share with you. Cooking for 3 minutes. I'll pull these out. And we're going to turn these over. Look at these. Very nice. And place it back into the oil. Within 5 to 6 minutes, they were fully done. The second batch is also done. Very delicious chicken strips. So I'm going to keep continuing doing the same way, and then I'm going to share with you. So this will be the final batch. Get some more panko coating. If you don't have this coating, you can use breadcrumb. So this batch, and then I have one more batch. This is the last batch. Look at these, very delicious. Going to pull the basket, and we're going to make sure that we turn around. This was the last batch, so these are the smaller ones. And as you see, they started to close. The smaller ones, they cook really fast and crunchy. So these within 4 minutes, I think it need only 1 more minute. This one we deep fried for 5 minutes. So depending on your fryer, it can take longer. So make sure that it's well cooked. So you've seen it. It's very easy and simple recipe. Chicken strips. And this is one of the best appetizer. You can serve it any time of the day and everyone will love it. Prior to serving, add some lemon and then use your favorite sauce and you're going to like it. Please try this recipe and comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.